Okay, so since our partnership has started with LGfL, we've seen some really great things happening in schools across London. On this very stage last year, we announced the Cloud Champions programme, where 50 schools had access to really affordable Chromebooks. And since then, we've seen some really great things happening, and I'm going to share some of those stories with you now. So firstly, I'd like to introduce to you Abid Patel from Leading Learning Trust. Abid, give us a wave. Hey, there he is at the back, hey. So as you can see from Abid's LinkedIn post earlier on this year, he's actually moved all of his school's data into the cloud, moving everything from their on-premise server to the cloud, and a real big achievement. The great thing I absolutely love about Abid's story is it hasn't just been a huge cost saving for the school, but it's also helped Abid to diversify his role. So now he's acting more of a consultant to the teachers within the school. He's being proactive in doing so rather than reactive and firefighting with server issues that he was doing before. In addition to that, the money that's actually been saved has meant that Abid's been able to grow his team. He was telling me last week they're recruiting, so anyone who's up for a new job, you know where to go. And how great, that's the first time that he's been in the school that he's actually been able to recruit someone else to support teachers. Now, because they've moved their stuff into Google Drive, they've had all this access to G Suite for Education for free. So all of these tools that you see up on the screen here. Teachers are now collaborating using things like Google Docs on lesson plans and schemes of work, using it on any device, anywhere, at any time. They're also creating engaging learning content on things like slides, and also really great assessment methods in Google Forms. And lastly, they're able to securely share their data across the trust in the click of a button using things like Google Sheets. And the best thing is that Abid has been able to bridge technology, teaching and learning, something that is a great feat in this kind of climate.